Hello, my name is Andreas Moringer. I'm Austrian living in Salzburg, and I was extremely lucky, at least from my point of view, to be able to acquire that car late winter last year. It's the first time I'm here in Goodwood. It's a really great atmosphere here. If you look at all the crowds and such a variety of car driving up the hill, for me at the moment is a bit of an acquired taste because I've never been here driving up this morning today, so taking it very, very carefully. In my view, it's a unique car, and because it is, I think, the only one in the world which is original. The others have been restored, but I have a slightly different view, and I very much like this unrestored granddaddy, so to speak, which is really totally original, and it's my firm intention to keep it that way and do not restore it and preserve its originality. It's a 375 mm, 4.5 liters, 340 horsepower, basically a 4-speed gearbox, and it is pretty fast. If you look at the very thin tires, it's you really have to admire those drivers at that time which did drive it at race speed. The mileage is 16,205 kilometers, but that's been done all racing. I think it's a small wonder that after all these 40 years lying in a barn, that it's still working properly, because you have to realize it's a race car and not a road car.